The wise old tree, present tense story. In a quiet village, there stands a very old tree. Children play under its shade, farmers rest after work, and birds build their nests on its branches. Everyone in the village loves the tree. One day, a young boy comes to the tree. "Boy, I am bored. I want to play." The tree smiles and says, "Tree, come, climb on my branches, swing on them, and you will be happy." The boy climbs and plays all day. Years pass. The boy grows up. One afternoon, he returns. "Boy, I need money. Can you help me?" The tree replies, "Tree, I have no money, but you can take my apples and sell them." The boy happily takes all the apples and leaves. The tree feels proud because it helps him. Many more years pass. The boy becomes a man. He comes again and says, "Man, I want to build a house. Can you give me wood?" The tree sighs and answers, "Tree, take my branches. Build your home and live happily." The man cuts the branches and goes away. Now the tree is weak, but still smiling. Time flies. The man becomes old. He comes back once more. "Old man, I am tired. I just want to rest." The tree whispers softly, "Tree, I have nothing left to give you. Only my trunk remains." The old man sits on the trunk and closes his eyes peacefully. The tree feels happy again because it can still give comfort. Moral of the story. True love always means giving without expecting anything in return.